Here on BayAreaSportsWeekly.com, 49er Tailgate, Central. We got two known fans here from representing the host. San Diego, right? San Diego chapter, that's the San Diego chapter. Charger, right?
I don't know anything about a Charger. I know the San Francisco and San Diego. We represent.
Orange County 49er Empire, yeah, I represent.
Born in OC area?
Yeah, born and raised in OC, right down the street from the Lambs, but I grew up a Niner fan thanks to my dad and my pop.
Hey, you know what? That's another thing. If I grew up in Los Angeles, I'd probably be a 49er fan because I don't identify with the LA Rams, or just say the Rams, because the LA Rams are kind of a soft team. They're soft. And I can't do the Raiders because it's kind of black and silver and black is kind of like, it's like the bad enemy, the bad influence of poverty and crime.
Good to be a Niner fan. Good to be a Niner fan.
Yeah, you guys are those the ones? Yeah. Get payment for one, the other one's from gas and ATM.
Well, there's probably somewhere between 20 and 30 from the SoCal Empire, and in San Diego probably even more because they go to the Type
My thing is how we're going to get it.
And sometimes there's 650 Niner fans from Type sold out.
Stand by.
San Diego, go top Saloon Sunday. Watch your Niners.
I've been sure
house. All good.
The place to be if you're not up here.
Where's that located at?
Yeah, it's on Barnett, Pacific Beach.
Oh, by the PB Beach. PB Beach. I've been down to PB Beach. You've been there. I've been down to PB Beach. It's a great place to have a nice lunch or dinner. It's this fish and chips.
Watch the game. You gotta watch the game.
On the boardwalk. I haven't been down in quite some time, but great place to have some fish and chips at the PB.
That's true. PB. Watch the games at Typhoon. We got a lot of fans. We got North Carolina coming up right here.
Yeah, we do. North Carolina. We're from Charlotte.
No, the Triad, Greensboro.
Okay.
It's in the Triad.
How you became a Niner fan from North Carolina?
I'm not from North Carolina. I became a Niner fan out the womb from Louisiana. Just like the Saints, never wanted to be a Saints fan, nothing but about this red and gold.
Or in other ways, you never want to be an Aints.
Exactly. Exactly. Nothing about the red and gold.
Hey, you know, there's so many 49er fans. I've run into people, Niner fans from New York, people from South Jersey, right outside of Philadelphia, people in the D.C. area. They run their own team.
We're going to invade them. We're going to invade D.C. Our champs is going to go there and invade them, take over. That's what we do. We travel all over the area.
Hey, I like that 49er represent, we have to, in the East Coast.
Gonna take over Charlotte, gonna take over that whole area. They ain't gonna even own the weapons, they're gonna own the red
Hey, thanks for keeping that good vibes.
No, baby, all day. Try it.
All right, we continue here on the Tailgate Central. We're here at Mine 49. You look at the flags. I like that. We're here. We'll be doing this every week. We'll be, of course, back here 1 week from today when the Niners play the Arizona Cardinals. So, and you guys, Jay, will be. You guys, Jay, y'all guys are going to be going down to Arizona on December 29th for the Niners Cardinal game during the holiday.
That's correct, yeah. Not only are we going to be going out there to the Cardinals game, but our chapters over in the Midwest, they're going to be going out to the Tennessee game as well.
That's 2 weeks from today.
Exactly. So definitely keep tuned on that. They'll be out there in full force. We have like tri-chapters that are going to be coming out to the game, so definitely keep an eye on that. They'll also have their own podcast out there in Tennessee, so definitely keep an eye on them on YouTube.
All right, Jay, thanks, and we'll talk to you guys in a little while. We continue on 49er Tailgate, Niners and Texans, Sunday Night Football on NBC. This is BayAreaSportsWeekly.com, the exclusive network of 49ers football in this network of City of Champions.